Welcome to inquire about China's most advanced wooden door production line technology. If you hope to achieve a monthly production of over 6,000 wooden doors, and you want to improve production efficiency, product quality, and reduce labor costs, it is correct to approach us. We can provide a one-stop solution, tailor-made a perfect set of equipment for you to use. And we can also show you real factories that are already in operation. We will also provide the testing results of the machines before they leave the factory. Ensure the functional integrity of the machine. Promise to actively cooperate and ensure the experience during the after-sales period. Welcome to consult with us.